this one. I don't know. You got the guy seeing it.
He's dead, he's dead. Radio's on the second floor. Bleed.
Good. I'll just stay up there because I don't trust myself.
How you guys getting?
There's no one here so far.
Nothing in that.
Nothing in
I'm marked on Dusk. But Dusk is life.
But yeah.
I just saw one corner. Nade.
That's mine. I got the radio! Woohoo!
I got the radio up north.
It was like, what, 8 fucking guys?
Yeah, I'm gonna record this.
Sorry, I need a little bit left in.
Radio up north is gone, it bled out. North of Hilltop.